Good morning, everyone. Fruit.
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 Okay. What meaning of fruit?
Fruit.
Yes, is 水果. Okay. Today we learn fruit. Okay. The first one we learn. What is this? 木瓜. Okay. Papaya.
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 Papaya. Papaya. Papaya. Papaya.
Okay, papaya. The next one, banana.
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 Banana. Banana. Banana. Banana. Banana.
Okay. Banana is 香蕉. Okay. The next one is 西瓜. Okay. WATERMELON.
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 Watermelon. Watermelon. Watermelon. Watermelon. Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Watermelon.
Watermelon. Watermelon. Okay, the next one is DURIAN.
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 Durian. DURIAN.
Durian.
Durian.
Durian. Durian. Durian.
Okay, the next one. MANGO.
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 Mango. Mango. Mango. Mango. Mango. Mango.
Mango. Okay, the next one, the last one. The last one we learn today is APPLE.
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 Apple. Apple. Apple.
Okay. Thank you, everyone.